Hello and welcome to Java programming. In this, we'll look at yet another LeetCode question, which is search insert position. What this problem is given a sorted array of distinct integers. So you have a integer sorted array of distinct integers, and the target value returned if the target is found is not, if not, return index where it would be if it were inserted in order. So for example, the target value is 5 and it must be inserted in 0, 1, 2, second position right here where 5 is. So this one between 1 and 3, which is first position, and 7 that should go at the end, right? After 6 comes 7. So it said that it is in sorted ascending order, so array is already in sorted order. Solution and public int search insert, and you have a nums array and target, right? So I'll have int start, and let's have the start to 0. We have 2 pointers, right? One is start, one is end, and we keep moving the pointers. The start will move further towards middle, and the end also will keep coming here. So int end will be equal to, say, nums dot length, and then we will have a while loop where start less than or equal to end, right? So in this, what we do is find the midpoint. Midpoint should be equal to start plus end minus start divided by 2, right? So what would happen if nums of the mid is equal to target? If it is, then return mid, right? So else, if nums of mid is less than target, if it is less than the target, so target is it has to be here, but it's way this side, so move the start index a little bit here, right? That's what you would do. Start is equal to mid plus 1. Else, if say nums of mid is greater than target, then you have to move the end pointer to mid minus 1. That makes sense. So once the while loop is complete, here I have to return the value, right? It should be the start, because the first index where the insertion position, that's where we have to put it, not in the ending. Okay, here I think -1, because it should not go index out of bounds exception, and less than equal to start plus n minus start by 2. That's the midpoint formula calculation, and if it is equal to, then we return the midpoint. Else what we do is check if it is less than target, then do start pointer increment. Okay, yeah, so it got accepted. Let's try to submit it, and it got submitted as well. This is good. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, how to go about solving this problem. I hope this was helpful. I'll share the whole code, so please do note down the code, and I would say suggest type it out and try it out a couple of times and